What's going on, Sauna's Lifestyle? Today's another day out here in Germany, man. So it's not raining. It's a little bit cold, as you guys see. I got the brown jacket on. Got the wife in the background. She got some mods that just came in. And today is mod day because it's not raining. It is what's it say on there? Fragile. Please handle with care, man. So this is one of many parts that she has for the G80. And since it is not raining outside, I'm gonna start installing some things. I don't know what I'm gonna get into today, but I'm gonna show you guys what she got right here. This is one of her Christmas gifts. Dun, 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 dun. A Jolly Rancher.
Surprise, motherfucker.
Oh snap, Jolly Rancher.
That's sweet.
Uh-oh, what she got?
Carbon fiber fender vent trim set.
Let me see what
and
it look like.
An air freshener.
She got an air freshener.
Another
the
sticker
turbo
to add. To
Beamer
the
plug. So this is where I ordered it from Beamer plug. So you get some of your BMW parts, accessories.
10% discount.
A little 10% discount. Okay, I like that.
It's like official. And I got a card.
Okay, they want to see the part that you get.
I know. I want to see it too.
All right, here we go. Drum roll. What you got? Oh, it's still wrapped up. Dang it. Sorry about the lighting here, guys. It's a little dark. Again, like I said, it's not raining, but it's not the best weather out here in Germany.
Rained enough for 2 years here.
How many? 2 years?
I don't think the sun's been out in like 2 months, honestly.
Nah. All right, we're going to fast forward to this really quick.
5 minutes later.
All right, it took like a billion years to open up, but here you go. Dang, it's still wrapped up in more wrappage.
I mean,
jeez.
I don't blame her.
I thought it was open already. Wrap some more. It's like what's that little thing? The little egg that opens up from like big to small?
Yeah.
That's what it seems like. There we go.
This is why.
Carbon fiber, man. Check it out.
Wait,
where's that go?
On the fender?
On the fender. So, did it come with like 3M tape on the inside? Is it 3M tape that goes on it? Oh, look on the back side of it.
Here. Yeah.
Oh, it's 3M tape. Okay. So,
This ain't you enough for...
dang, they gave me a... Jesus. Okay, that's enough. We'll be taping everything up. So, yeah, guys, I'm going to go ahead and go outside. Again, man, try to see what I can get done for you guys. But this mod today, I'm going to go ahead and throw these fender trims on. And she wants me to do everything. But everything sometimes takes some time. So we'll see what we can get done today in this video. So I know for sure I'm going to put the fender trim on. And then she has another piece. Oh, actually, show them what else you got there. The glass cover thing. I think it's sitting on the table out there. But yeah, she got a screen protector. You know how you guys got the screen protector for your phones? They got a screen protector that they created for the new G80 screen. So yes, I'm gonna install these two things. I'll show you guys what I'm gonna do on this and how to install it, and we'll go from there. So stay tuned and stay locked in. If you haven't, what, baby?
Smash that subscribe button.
Subscribe button, check it
like.
out, and like, yeah, do that for us.
All post notifications.
All post notifications, turn them things on, turn that bell on, put some comments down below. But yeah, stay tuned and stay locked in. Let's get outside. All right, guys, so as you can see, as I mentioned earlier, so they gave us some 3M tape. This is some weird 3M tape. It doesn't look that thick. This is something new I've never messed with. Look how thin it is. Is that even 3M tape? I guess we're about to find out. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to put that on the inside of this right here. And at the end of the day, it's going to be like a cover. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. I bet you I got the wrong side. Nope. So as you guys can see here, carbon fiber in some spot, no spots. And then this cover is going to go over it right here. So it should go on just like that as a cover. All right, so throw this 3M tape on here really quick. I'm hoping it should be straight. Let's see. Let's try it out. All right, guys. So I installed the fender carbon fiber trim. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. They look nice, but I have a feeling they're not gonna stay on long. But we'll check it out and see. Tell me what you guys think. Ugh. So like I said, it looks good, man. They're on there 3M taped. But I don't know, man. I'm gonna have a feeling that wind's gonna catch them and rip them right off. But again, we'll see what happens, man. So I didn't video putting those on because at the end of the day, man, it's 3M tape and you just slap them on, man. It's a cover over the existing trim that's here. So the next thing I'm about to tackle though is show you guys the next thing I'm about to tackle, and I may show you guys how I'm putting these on. It's pretty simple. Done it on my M5, but Auto Technique. These are like some carbon fiber mud flaps, rock protectors, I guess you could say, more or less. They're not mud flaps, but rock protectors. So what this will do, it'll go, show you guys. It's gonna come right here and bolt up to these two little rivets. And like I said, it's a rock protector to protect any stones from hitting this area right here. So as you guys can see, there's two rivets. One here, one there. I'm gonna pull that out, and then I'll put these two in. So I'll place the camera real quick and show you guys what I'm about to do. All right, guys, got the camera stood up on the tripod, so you guys can see there's a rivet here, a rivet right here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna break these rivets, because at the end of the day, the kit comes with new rivets, 2 each, so don't mess them up. So this is how I did my last one. Start with this one first. Just cut it. Alright, next one, same thing. Just make sure you don't slip on this when you're doing this. End up messing something up. Right behind that, snap it. All right, there you go. 2 clips are off. Oh, I got Cam, the man just showed up.
What are you doing?
Taking this, putting these mud flaps off. So I cut those out. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make sure that the stems are not in there. So I'm just gonna push this through the hole, which is good here. And I think this one was stuck. All right, so that's good there. So now you can put the new rivets in there. You pull it back, get all the loose rivets if you want. So what you want to do now is you want to take the new one. Obviously it's going to go in the 2 holes that's here. 1 hole here, 1 hole there. All right, take the rivet. You could use a rivet gun to do this, but I did it without a rivet gun. You just got to take your time when you do that. So this in there. It's in there. What I did was I take a flat tip screwdriver and I just slowly press it in. So let me put the second one in just to make sure it's seated properly.
Okay.
And there you go, man. Riveted in without a rivet gun. Again, just get something flat, a tool, and then just slowly press these until you push them all the way in. And then they lock. And it's not going anywhere. As you can see right here at the bottom, you could put something, 3M tape or something like that if it starts to rattle. But as of right now, I'm not going to put nothing on there now. But yeah, that's it right there, rock guard. Let's go ahead and tackle the other side. Alright guys, so I got both of them on there. Auto Technique rock guard, carbon fiber. Pretty quick install. I did the fender trim, carbon fiber. That's from BMW plug. I don't know, man. Let's see what I can tackle next. Alright guys, so I'm gonna see what these side skirts look like. I might install this as well, and then we'll go from there.